I'm Mary Alice with Custom Chic Shades, and today I'm going to show you how to measure an outside mount Roman shade. So you see from my window here, this is in my basement. I had two windows that were right next to each other. One was quite narrow and the other was pretty normal width. And I decided, instead of making two inside mount Roman shades, that I just make one Roman shade to go over both windows. And I also mounted it just a smidge below the ceiling, so it would also give the appearance of it being even larger than it already is. So I'm going to show you how I did those measurements. So you'll need measuring tape. I have a step stool because these are big windows and I'm kind of petite. So first I'm starting at the bottom, and I see here on my window frame there's a little notch, which is the widest part of my frame, and I'm definitely going to want that covered with a window treatment. So I follow the line from that notch to the one on the other window, and I get to 58 inches. So then I decide I will measure the top. So you see here when I lift up the window treatment, it looks identical, it looks the same, but you never know, so it's always good to measure. So looks can be deceiving, so I follow the same notch. Sometimes you need 4 hands. Don't be afraid to ask a friend. And I get to 58¼ inch. So this is a little bit wider at the top than it is the bottom. So we're going to go with the wider measurement for when we're making an outside mount Roman shade. All right, so you also see here that I went above the window frame. How many inches above? About 5, okay? Now I'm going to measure from the frame, the very top of the frame, to the bottom, and I get 80 inches if I go all the way to the bottom of the frame. If I'm just going to go to the windowsill, I get to 76. So it's up to you how far you want it to go. Now I'll show you here my window treatment. I made it go a little beyond the window, so a little bit beyond the lip of the window. It doesn't go all the way down to the bottom. So there to that, and when I measure it from the top, I actually get to 82 inches. So that's about right. And then for my width, I added 2 inches to the 58¼ inch. And so I made this 60¼ inch. So you'll see here that this window treatment goes about 1 inch over the frame on both sides. So it's up to you for what the length is, but that's pretty standard. If you want it to go even more, you need to let me know. So send me a picture, show me the measurements of your picture, and tell me exactly what you want, and I'd be happy to make it for you. Thanks.